We start with 1 hour chart. If we refer to an analysis, in my last video when the price was within this move, exactly here we mentioned how we can look for buy. There was a few opportunity. It depends on the traders, and also the one of the option was to have entry above the top. Anyway, mostly we didn't have the proper trade setup within this. The only way to look for trade after we get this sharp move and this correction. Okay. Anyway, if anyone get the trade, it was a very nice trade, and also there was a second opportunity. All right. Mostly we could look for trade from here, but anyway, we didn't have any update since the price was within this one move. And now wants to see how we can look at this, whether this is a correction for the price to give us one more drop, or we can look for continuation for buy. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We start with daily chart, and as we can see, after the price sharply move, it start to drop. Now we want to see what we can get here, whether we can expect to get a bigger correction similar to what we get here, because anytime we get a sharp move, it's followed with the bigger correction. That means the correction we're going to get here can be more complex, or we get the correction based on lower time frame for continuation. Okay, right now based on daily chart we cannot confirm. That's why we move to forward chart. Based on forward chart, what I can see here, technically when we have this sharp down move, we consider it as a sharp, and now we have a correction here. Maybe we can look for flat for price to give us one more drop. That's mean this one turned to a more complex correction. This is what we can see technically, but it doesn't mean the price cannot continue from here. From now, if we get any trade setup based on 1 hour chart, we try to trade it, but we should have the proper management, because any trade it can give us continuation. All right. Anyway, right now, as I mentioned, we still be looking for flat. It can turn to a big correction. We cannot confirm for the reversal. And even if I move to 1 hour chart, it will be more clear, because after we get this down move, we can look for this one as a flat. And this one still we can expect any down move with the breakout of this low. We can confirm this move is finished. Then any reversal from there we can look at. We can look for buy. Okay, this is what we have right now. It doesn't mean the price cannot continue. Still we can expect the price continue and even break the top before we get the down move. That's why any buy from here. Right now we don't have any buy, but if we get any buy setup with the breakout of this top, we start to manage. It depends. If we get a corrective move, for sure we take out the trade. If we get any buy setup, but if we get a sharp move, it's good for us. All right, but right now, still we cannot confirm that we can get the reversal from here. Still, we can expect this one turn to a bigger correction. And the best things is if we get one more drop, either from here or even the price break this top, with the breakout of this low, we can look for reversal. Okay, the best things is we wait. We cannot jump into the trade. But how about if we get a correction here, as I mentioned, for buy, we can look for buy if we get a trade. With the breakout of this, we can start to manage. Okay, and how about if the price sharply move it, break the top without giving us a trade setup, then we can look for the next flag. What I suggest is still we have to wait. Right now we cannot look for buy, because technically we can expect the price give us one more drop. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any trade setup, any reversal, I will share. Thanks.